Yes, please.
My question is, if an Ahmadi Muslim dies in an anti-Muslim society or in a country where there is no more Ahmadi to offer his janazah prayer, what is the teaching of Islam regarding this?
Where there is no Muslim, what the teaching of Islam is going to do there? If there is anti-Islamic society, the teaching of Islam will have no bearing upon them, no influence. So there is no point. He would be naturally buried according to the customs of that non-Muslim to non-Muslim society. And as far as the forgiveness is concerned, it has completely no relationship to the fact that janazah was said or not. Those who are burned, those who are drowned in the oceans, their janazahs are not said, and they are forgiven by Allah, if Allah pleases. So that is for our own satisfaction, that we say the janazah, and we pray, and it's an expression of grief, in fact, in a formal way. But as far as the dead body or his soul is concerned, he or she are completely in Allah's hands. Yes, please, Zahir.